Hello, so we're gonna be solving some math problems over here. We're gonna be getting some derivatives, and this is our first problem. So the first thing I recommend you to do is rewrite the problem so it's easier for you to solve it. I recommend rewriting this problem because of this exponent right here that might confuse you if you leave it there. So we're gonna rewrite the problem. You already put the derivative. We leave this 6 right where it is, and then we write everything else without the exponent, and we elevate all of this to the second power, which was the exponent we had over here. After this, we're we're gonna do chain rule with all of these parentheses that is elevated to the second power. So we're gonna again write a 6 right where we left it, and we're gonna take this 2 and we're gonna put it right here multiplying. You're gonna copy paste everything you left inside that parenthesis. So we're gonna copy paste it, and then right here we're gonna put this exponent we had over here minus 1, which is gonna give us 1. So it's not necessary to put it there, but just so you know, that's how I got this thing to elevate it to the 1. Okay, so multiplying this, we're gonna put the derivative of the thing inside, which is this, and so we're gonna put 5 because it's the derivative of this. Then we're gonna write sin because it's the derivative of cos, and we're gonna copy paste this again. Very good. Now the only thing that is left to do is start simplifying things to make it shorter. So we're gonna multiply this 2, and it's gonna look like this. Now, because we have this, we can leave it right there so we can multiply it later. So you're gonna grab also this 5 and you're gonna multiply it in this number. So we're gonna rewrite this again. So this is your final answer. Just a little review how we got here. So we rewrite the problem. So we didn't have this exponent right here. We elevate all this time the exponent we had over there, so we didn't get confused. We did chain rule with these parentheses. Remember, we got this, the exponent over half minus 1, which gave us 1, so we didn't have to write it, but just so you know. So with the chain rule, and then we start simplifying. We multiply this 2, and then we multiply this and this, it gave us this, and then we multiply it times all those terms it gave us, and this is our final answer. Well, I hope you got it, and let's go with the next problem.
For this problem, we have a problem that involves y, so we don't want to have problems like getting the y and all that. So we are going to do a special trick that is called asking for permission to get the y prime. First of all, in the first, we have to use the product rule because they are multiplying. So we first multiply the y3 times the 8x. These both are multiplying because the u is the 4x2 and the v is the y3, and as the rule says is v derivative of u plus u derivative of v. Then it follows the 4x squared times there. To get the y prime, we will do first as it was like a normal x, and then we have to include also the y prime. We are going to do like 2 times 2, and then we get the prime. Then after that, we also have minus 2y squared, so we are also going to do the same. We are going to multiply 2 times 2 and also times the y prime. And then after that we have equals 5x, so we do the same thing, like 1 times 5, and without the x. Then after that, all of that we're going to simplify it. We are just going to unify terms. We will get that it will be 8x y3 plus 12x squared y prime, and then minus 4y y prime. We're going to go like other side. Then equals 5. After that, we are going to place in the same side the y prime and the other side all the other things that don't involve the y prime. So at the end we will have 12x squared y prime minus 4y y prime equals 5 minus 8x y3. That's the term that we pass to the other side. And then, so we want to get the y prime, and as we can see, both of the terms have it, so we are going to get it out as a common factor. Y prime times 12x squared y squared minus 4y equals 5 minus 8xy. Then we want y prime, so we are going to pass it to the other side, dividing as it is multiplying. And that's how we get the result. It is y prime equals 5 minus 8xy over 12x squared y squared minus 4y. That's our final answer, and in simple steps.
The problem is fx 3x to the second power multiplied by sine 2x minus 5. So we should get the derivative of this. As you can see, we have an x here and another x here, and they are multiplying themselves. So what should we do now is do the product rule, because we have two different x multiplying. So the product rule says that b is plus derivative of u multiplying by b. This will be our b, and this will be our u. So we should start doing that, and it will be the derivative of u will be the derivative of the thing. Okay, the derivative of the thing inside, there will be 2, and then the derivative of sine, it will be cos, copy paste 2x minus 5 multiplying by u, exactly what it's exactly as it says there. So 2x2 plus the derivative of u will be 2 multiplying by 3, 6x 2 minus 1, so it will be 1, and then you copy paste the b. So sine 2x minus 5. I get this value by checking the page that we have, so it's very easy to do it that way. So our final result will be we get this 3x to the second power in the front, because it will be there, and we multiply this by these two letters here. So it will be 3 multiplied by 2, 6 x to the second power, and then we copy paste this cos 2x minus 5 plus, and then this is our like algorithm, so we also copy paste, and that is our final result.